What if I told you that one simple vitamin could be the key to unlocking youthful energy and vitality after 50? As we age, many of us experience fatigue, joint pain, and memory loss. These are common signs of aging that can affect our quality of life. But what if there was a way to turn back the clock and feel more vibrant and energetic? In this video, we'll reveal the miracle vitamin that doctors are raving about, which can slow aging, boost energy, and restore vitality. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Picture yourself moving with ease, free from the aches and pains that often come with age. This vitamin could be your ticket to a more active and fulfilling life. It fights inflammation, energizes your body, and protects your brain function, helping you stay sharp and focused. You might be wondering how one vitamin can do all this. Well, it works by supporting your body's natural processes, giving you the boost you need to feel your best. And the best part? It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. If you're ready to discover the secret to feeling younger, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Let's dive in and explore how you can reclaim your energy and vitality. Let's dive into the anti-inflammatory powerhouse that has doctors amazed. This vitamin is renowned for its ability to combat inflammation, a major culprit behind aging and wrinkles. You might be wondering why inflammation is such a big deal. Well, as we age, inflammation can become chronic, leading to various health issues. It accelerates aging, making those fine lines and wrinkles more pronounced. But here's the good news. Reducing inflammation can lead to healthier skin and a more youthful appearance. Imagine waking up with less joint pain and stiffness. This vitamin can help with that. It's known to reduce joint discomfort, making it easier for you to enjoy your daily activities. And it doesn't stop there. It also improves skin elasticity, which means your skin can look firmer and more vibrant. You might even notice a decrease in visible signs of aging, giving you a boost of confidence. Now, I know what you're thinking. If this vitamin is so great, why isn't everyone taking it? Well, there are a few things to keep in mind. Overconsumption can lead to side effects, so it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Not all supplements are created equal, so choosing high-quality, reputable brands is crucial. Let me share a quick personal story. A friend of mine, who's in her late 60s, started taking this vitamin after consulting her doctor. She noticed a significant improvement in her joint mobility and even received compliments on her glowing skin. It's amazing what the right supplement can do when it's part of a balanced lifestyle. So, if you're curious about how inflammation affects your aging process, consider this vitamin as a potential ally. And I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with inflammation and aging in the comments below. Your stories might inspire others on their journey to better health. Let's dive into how this amazing vitamin can energize your body and strengthen your muscles. As we age, our bodies naturally require more support to maintain energy and muscle mass. This vitamin plays a crucial role in energy production and muscle maintenance, helping you stay active and strong. Imagine feeling more energetic throughout the day without needing that extra cup of coffee. This vitamin boosts your energy levels naturally, giving you the vitality you need for your daily activities. Now, let's talk about muscle strength. As we get older, muscle strength tends to decline, which can make it harder to do things we once found easy. This vitamin supports muscle growth and repair, helping you maintain your strength and even enhance your physical performance. Whether it's gardening, walking, or playing with your grandkids, having strong muscles can make a big difference in your quality of life. However, it's important to be aware of a few challenges. This vitamin may interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to discuss with your doctor about the right dosage for you. Also, remember that excessive intake can be harmful, so moderation is key. Your doctor can help you find the balance that's just right for your body. Incorporating a balanced diet and regular exercise can also enhance the benefits of this vitamin. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods and staying active can work hand in hand with the vitamin to keep you feeling your best. It's all about creating a lifestyle that supports your health and well-being. So, if you've noticed changes in your energy levels or muscle strength, consider how this vitamin might help. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your body as you age. Feel free to comment below if you've experienced any changes in your energy or muscle strength. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Let's talk about how this amazing vitamin can protect your memory and brain function. As we age, keeping our minds sharp becomes more important than ever. This vitamin is essential for cognitive health, helping to improve memory retention and support overall brain health. It even reduces the risk of cognitive decline, which is a common concern among older adults. You might be wondering why brain health is so crucial. Well, maintaining a healthy brain is key to staying independent and enjoying a good quality of life. Memory loss can be a real worry, but with the right nutrients, you can help keep your mind in top shape. Now, let's consider the risks and challenges. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to cognitive issues, which is something we all want to avoid. On the flip side, overusing it might cause imbalances, so it's important to find the right balance. So, what can you do? Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are a great start. They can help you monitor your vitamin levels and ensure you're getting what you need. Also, consider adding foods rich in this vitamin to your diet. It's a simple way to support your brain health naturally. Why is this so important? Because cognitive health is vital for maintaining independence and enjoying life as you age. You want to be able to remember those special moments and keep up with your favorite activities. Let me share a personal story. My friend Mary noticed she was forgetting little things more often. After talking to her doctor, she started focusing on her vitamin intake. Over time, she felt more alert and confident in her memory. Have you or a loved one experienced memory changes? Share your story in the comments. It's always helpful to hear from others who might be going through the same thing. Remember, taking care of your brain is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Aging is a journey we all embark on, and it's one filled with wisdom and new opportunities. Embracing this phase with the right mindset and tools can lead to a vibrant, fulfilling life. Think of aging as a chance to explore new passions, deepen relationships, and share your unique experiences. Sure, there might be challenges, but with the right approach, they can be stepping stones to growth. Imagine waking up each day with energy and purpose. What does aging gracefully mean to you? Is it about staying active, learning new things, or simply enjoying the little moments? Let us know in the comments. We've explored how this miracle vitamin can fight inflammation, boost energy, and protect brain health. It's amazing how something so simple can have such a profound impact on your well-being. Imagine waking up each day feeling more energetic and mentally sharp. That's the power of this vitamin. It works by supporting your body's natural processes, helping you feel more vibrant and alive. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate this into your daily routine. It's as easy as adding a supplement to your morning ritual or including more vitamin-rich foods in your diet. Think of foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. They're not just delicious, they're packed with nutrients that can help you feel your best. Of course, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes, especially if you're managing other health conditions. But with the right guidance, you can make choices that support your health journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might benefit. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health and vitality. Remember, age is just a number when you have the right tools to thrive. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep taking steps towards a healthier, more energetic you.